everybody!
Happy Sunday, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Let us know in the comment section what you guys have been up to. If you're enjoying the lovely UK weather, it's super, super hot.
Because we have been enjoying reading each and every single one of your comments of what you've been up to.
Yeah.
And we've been really envious about some barbecues of what you guys have been doing as well.
Yes, very, very jealous.
Oh.
But it is Sunday. It is another PO box unboxing.
Yes.
And we've been checking out PO boxes. We've got some awesome packages. So massive thank you to everyone who has sent those packages and everything. We love you guys very, very much.
And as well, not only we are going to be unboxing, but we thought we'd throw in a cheeky giveaway.
Yes, but all that will be explained once we show that for you guys, so sit tight and watch the rest of this video.
Okie dokie. So, shall we get on with it?
Let's get it on!
Alrighty, so we've got a few packages, so thank you so much for everybody who has sent anything in. You were very, very kind.
Yes.
You didn't need to send anything at all. Okay, shall we do the one that says, it's here!
It's here! Yes, it is.
Alright, okay. Okay. Oh, pretty packaging.
It's very, very fancy.
You know, I love a bit of packaging. Here's the card. I won't open it yet.
It's very
oh,
burgundy.
I love burgundy.
It's burgundy.
It reminds me of autumn.
Right, so Krispy-Smore, Steph and Dave, congrats on 20,000.
Oh, thank you.
Looking forward to watching more Tokyo vlogs. Here's something to help you plan your next trip. Thanks for letting us mention you on our top tips page. Your subscribers can use code KrispySmore for free shopping, or free shipping, sorry, UK only. Happy planning. Love, Sally from Tink's Treasure Cove.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So
okay.
Let's have a look and see what this is.
It says, many thanks. Time to plan your most magical day.
Ooh.
Oh, I love the ribbon.
The ribbon and the tissue paper.
Oh, I love it.
Steffi's a sucker for tissue paper.
And you know what? I'm so jealous that you're able to actually tie a proper bow with ribbons. I'm terrible. And I always just watch people go, how do you do it? Never do it.
She asked me like 10...
I lost them. Oh.
She asked me like 10 times when she's doing ribbon. Does this look good? Is it good? Is this fine? No, it looks great, Steph. No, it's not good. It's not. It's terrible. So, yeah.
Alrighty. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh, this is a really nice planner. Ooh, the most magical planner on earth. I like the quality of this. Oh, this is so adorable. Right, okay. This is the most magical planner on earth. This is amazing. Look. Basically says you're travelling from, travelling to, and staying at for how many nights, airport parking. Oh, you can write everything down so that you basically like a checklist.
Yeah, basically.
Booking talking about checklists. There's a booking checklist and things to
very nice.
check off. There is loads and loads of like things to fill out and must-dos and diaries and...
Oh, that's cool. What you did on your first day and everything.
What you did on your first day, what you're going to have for breakfast and stuff.
Awesome.
This is amazing. So what we'll do is we'll leave a link down below. It's www.tinkstreasurecove.com.
Yeah, and so if you use the code KrispySmore, all together, no spaces, you get free shipping for all UK people. So there you go, boys and girls.
There you go.
Little planner there for you. Thank you very much, Sally, for the package.
That's really nice. We shall try and use that on our next vacation next year.
So the next one we got is the square one.
Wow.
The grey square package. Right. Let's see what we got. Okie dokie.
Oh.
Ow. So, Steffi and Dave, my name is Reese. I've been a big fan of your channel for many years. Both myself and my wife Kelly love your content and we can't wait for your upcoming adventures. I've recently started making pressed penny books on Etsy after finding that the books at Disney and Universal don't hold enough coins.
Oh.
These books can hold up to 240 coins, giving you a much better place to store them. Everyone loves pressed pennies at the parks. There is no way to properly collect them. With these books there's a detailed checklist so everyone can now actively collect all the coins in each park.
It's going to tell me where all the Lion King ones are.
Maybe. Maybe. So I've included a penny book for each Disney park, along with a starter penny for your collection. And there's also a 10% code off written on the card if you want anyone of your subscribers that may be interested. Hopefully you get to try out the magic of pressed coin collecting very soon. Now you say that, we've got a couple of pressed coins.
We've got quite a few actually, and we don't actually have a holder for them.
No, we don't. So...
Oh wow, thank you so much.
Yeah, this is awesome. This is the Magic Kingdom one.
Oh wow, and then this is the Epcot one.
And then inside there's a little pressed little booklet. And it actually tells you.
Yeah.
It tells you every.
Where's the Lion King stuff? Find me the Lion King.
From every area, from like Haunted Mansion, the Heritage House, the Jungle Cruise, Shrunken Ned's, everything in there, and it just goes on and on. That is very clever. And
we've also got a Germany coin in there. Thank you so much. Yeah, look.
Oh, that's cool. And then yeah, inside there's like little areas to put everything in there for you.
So this one is the Animal Kingdom Press Point Collection, my favourite park.
Yes. And the last one is of course Hollywood Studios.
That's amazing.
Again, all of them come with a checklist, so if you guys want to try and find all of the coins, you can do. And
within this little card it says 10% off code KrispySmore 10.
10.
There we go.
All together, no spaces, KrispySmore 10. Thank you very much, Reese and Kelly, for the awesome package.
Wow,
this is amazing. We will definitely be using these on our next trip, 100%.
Yes, so thank you so much. We will leave the link to your Etsy store down below.
Yes, we will do indeed. And now you have started another collection that we need.
Yes. Okay, our next one.
Next package. Good God, y'all.
Oh, there's the card.
Oh, I got a little 101 Dalmatian on me.
Little puppy. Oh, the stiff. Oh, and look, and it's you probably can't see, but it's got other Dalmatians.
Oh, it's Captain Simone. I love Captain Simone.
Hey! So, there is a spot for me on the suitcase. There's someone saying that's That's definitely
going on the suitcase.
Thank you very much. So, we have been subscribers of yours for a long time now, and the trackers, and it seems we have a knack of being in the same place as you, but yet so near and yet so far. Last May we were in the Magic Kingdom, only yards away, then we spotted you in Eastbourne. We were both wearing blue Disney shirts, but we've never spoken and are keen to rectify when we get the chance.
Oh, no way.
We just wanted to say how much we enjoy watching your vlogs and how motivated for Fit Florida we were in the run up to our May 2018 trip. Watching Steffi's journey has been relatable for us both. We too have been on the ups and downs, getting fitter. Our highlight was Cheryl losing 16 pounds through Slimming World and probably putting some back on with all the yummy food we hit whilst we were there.
It's all relatable. We've all been there. It's all good.
They said, have you got any tips? As we say with all vlogging videos, if you're doing it, just be yourself, just enjoy what you're doing and just record what you want to record and make all those memories. That's the most important thing with vlogging.
Yeah.
That's what we always do, and you know, it's stuck with us ever since. So that's always good. We hope you like the treats enclosed, and even though we've never met, we like to think that when we do finally get that courage, we'll be able to say hi. Thank you for all of your efforts and entertainment you provide us, Paul and Cheryl, aka that UK Disney couple.
Thank you so much, Paul and Cheryl.
Thank you for the card, and thank you.
Me too.
Again, thank you for the lovely sticker.
And if you do see us in town, just
give us
lasso us. Just
grab.
Just
tap my shoulder.
But yeah, just come over and say hi.
Yeah,
it's all good.
Definitely.
It's all good. So we have got some goldfish, giant Graham fish.
Ooh.
I've never seen them before.
I've seen the mini ones.
I think there's a s'more on the way today.
So we've got a little bag here.
Oh, cheeky.
I don't think Steffi's going to be ready for this.
Okay.
Do you want to put your... Actually, I've got an idea. Put your hand in and just look at me. What have you got? Oh, it's a Lion King crispy treat.
Oh, I don't know if I can eat it.
Yeah.
And then you've got some Lion King animal crackers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's really kind of you. Thank you, and also thank you for these little
So
guys.
that's why they gave you the graham crackers.
Yeah.
KrispySmore.
KrispySmore. There we go. Thank you very much.
That's so thoughtful. I love that. Thank you.
That's amazing.
That's so cute.
That was all the stuff we got through the PO box. A massive thank you to everyone who sent us stuff. Now we're going to be talking about the little mini giveaway that we're going to be doing.
Yeah.
So we got in touch, or a company got in touch called Burger. They're a mobile phone case company, and basically they sent us a couple of phone cases for iPhone 7 or 8 Pluses.
Now these cases were absolutely beautiful and we loved them. When they actually sent these to us, we were no longer using iPhones.
And
we were like, oh no, these are so good. Can we give them out to our viewers? And they were like, yes, here we go. So here they are. I know it's not Disney related, but if anybody is looking for a new phone case, we'll show you what they look like. So they got very nice packaging.
Wow! Yeah. These fit iPhone 7 or 8 Plus only.
We have the white marble effect.
So, and then you've got this one, which is kind of like a black and like pink or rose gold sort of effect.
Yes.
Which is really nice. So again, like we said, this fits iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 Pluses.
So in order to enter into this competition, you need to be a subscriber.
You do indeed. You also need to like the video. Leave a comment saying, I would like a new phone case. Put your handles for Twitter, Instagram, so we can get in contact with you. And then
you win.
You win. And we'll probably put this up for like about a week.
Yes.
We'll put this competition for 1 week, and then we'll pick someone next Sunday, and then we'll let you know through Instagram or Twitter. Thank
you so much to everybody who has posted stuff over to our PO box. You were very kind, very grateful, and we love you forever. But sadly, we have to give you an update on the PO box. Unfortunately, we have to close the PO box on the 22nd of August.
So the main reasons why we're closing the PO box is through the time we've had it, there's been issues with certain packages coming in, like you can't send certain large packages, and also certain
signed things as well.
Yeah, signed ones. Certain delivery companies don't send to PO boxes in the UK, so it was very hard for certain people to actually send the packages to us, and sometimes they will get sent back.
So we want to kind of look to find somewhere that can accept, you know, signed packages, large packages, all sorts of stuff, because that was the thing that was upsetting us, is the fact that you were paying a lot of money to send something and it may not actually get to us in time, or it will get bounced back. And so we feel absolutely awful that, that this has been happening. So we are closing our PO box. Don't worry, it will reopen again very soon, and we will definitely let you know. But yeah, we just need to try and find a different service. So we are just trying to find a different service, aren't we?
We are, but again, like we said, if you follow us on our social medias, we'll keep you updated through there, and then obviously when we do have one, we'll announce a video to you guys to let you know.
So if you do actually have something that you've not yet sent off, or you would like to send us a postcard or a letter, because we love reading your letters and postcards, this is our address up here. We'll also leave it down below for you as well to check out.
Oh yeah.
So yes, the 22nd of August, that's when our PO box will close.
Yeah, so any packages that are sent after that date, they will be returned to you. So make sure you have that in mind if you are going to send it. But again, we love you guys so much. Again, like we said, we will be keeping you updated on all the situations.
And thank you so much for everybody who has sent stuff in. It's been wonderful actually helping out smaller businesses as well. We've got a lovely, incredible you guys community.
Are super talented.
Very talented. And of course, not only just like the postcards and the packages and all that, to you guys who are liking, sharing, commenting. I know that we've not been replying back to everybody's comment over the last, say, 2 weeks, because I was in a white collar boxing fight and I just got completely zoned out, and I do apologise. So we are going to be back on to replying, but we have been reading everyone's messages.
We have, so thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and we are truly grateful.
Yes, your supportive comments are absolutely awesome, and we love the fact that you guys have been enjoying these new vlogs. Yeah. Which is a little bit different than we normally do, which is always good. Yes. And so there's lots more to come with lots of weekly vlogs and everything we've got coming up. So thank you very much for that. So thank you very much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. It really helps out the channel a lot. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button just down below. Also, if anyone has or hasn't, make sure to hit the notification bell, and also make sure you click that you would like to be notified regularly for all of our new videos that come out, because we've got another Tokyo video coming out on Tuesday. And not just that as well, we have a community tab as well, which if there is a delay on videos, or you know, if we wanted to share out some news, we will pop it into the into our community tab as well, so that you guys can be the first to know what's going on. We shall see you then. Take it now, guys.
Bye.